Step 1. Check if the shower threshold is level using a spirit level or straight edge. Step 2. Ensure wall jambs sit flat on wall. Mark drilling points with a positioning tool. Drill a 6mm hole. Insert a wall anchor and fasten the aluminum profile with a round head screw. Step 3. Insert the glass panels into the wall side frames on both sides. Check whether the glass panel is perpendicular to the ground. Step 4. Assemble the zinc alloy hinge pivot onto the support bar. Once assembled, orient the rod's bottom hinge slot up, top slot down. Align with the wall glass panel and secure with screws. Step 5. Insert the glass panel into the hinge slot and secure it with screws. Step 6. Fix the waterproof buffer seal strip on the glass panel. Cut off surplus material. Step 7. Split the door handle. Mount the tool halves separately on the glass panel and secure with screws. Step 8. Fix the waterproof buffer seal strip on the glass panel. Cut off surplus material. Adjust shower door glass position. Step 9. Apply silicone sealant and allow 24 hours for it to fully cure before using the shower.